Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use bar replay in TradingView. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the first thing what we need to do is head on over to tradingview.com, head into the charts and make sure to sign into your account. Now, once you've signed into your account, go ahead and find what you'd like to replay. I'm going to use Bitcoin USD dollar for this demonstration. Now, if we look on the top of the chart here, we've got indicators, some options here. There's going to have a replay button. So this is called bar replay. So just go ahead and click onto replay. And now you're going to have a little box that's going to appear below that. So we can go ahead and select bar by moving across the charts here. So if I want to select it from last Friday, 25th, I can, or I can go a bit closer. So it just depends where you like to replay from. Now below that, we've got different options, so we can update interval, so we can do 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 1 day. If I go ahead and do 2 hours, that's going to change it. So I can zoom in a little bit like so, and I can set it from here. And now we can also set the speed, so replay speed. So if we want to do 10 times, 1 time, or 0.1, so I might do 10 times from here, and then I'm just going to, then it's going to automatically go through and play, and then you want to press play. So now it's going to replay that chart. Obviously, this is super quick, but this is just for a quick demonstration of how to use the bar replay in TradingView.